Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We're back with another One Take Bag review. I know what you're thinking if you're a longtime viewer. You've already reviewed that bag, and you'd be right. So this is the Mountainsmith Trippin Fanny Backpack, which I told you on my review of this bag was my absolute favorite fanny pack slash bum bag slash crossbody bag that I've ever owned. It is my bag that I grab without fail anytime I need to just, toss something on my back and walk around a city. It is epically good. So, why do I have it out again today? Because we're talking about its big brother. This is the Mountainsmith Trippin Messenger. Okay? It is a brief that you can carry in the same way. It is literally the same colorway, the avocado. It is from their Trippin series, and it is a cool bag. Now, it is not designed to be, slung over your bag like crossbody like this. It is a traditional messenger, okay? So you are carrying this like a satchel, and it has about twice the volume of the Trippin Fanny. There's also a Lil Trippin Fanny, a littler version of this. But these are really cool bags. They're really well made. It is from a company in Colorado, Mountainsmith, and they've got some really neat stuff, including a backpack that, at some point I'm going to review as well. So, you know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to look at the complete bag, the interior, the exterior, and we're going to do overall 2 things that we enjoy about the bag, 2 things that not so much, and a recommendation. Should you buy this bag? I already told you should buy that bag. Let's check out this one. All right, so let's jump right in. Exterior of the bag, the whole thing is made of this really slick nylon fabric. Will it hold up? Will it hold up over time? This one has. This is years old, and it looks like, I barely used the thing. It's got some really nice detail here. It's got this brown leather detail, and then it's got this kind of bike light attachment situation going on right there that I've actually used quite a bit on this bag. You can see it's kind of stretched out there. I've used it to attach all kinds of things with carabiners and just small hooks. The strap itself is a very kind of traditional nylon, just stitched onto the bag. It's the same material that they used over here with similar stitching and a similar set of plastic buckles. Okay, so there's not too much to the exterior. There's also a tiny little hanging handle right here, but no grab handle. Okay, so let's talk pockets. On the front, you have an easy kind of rapid access pocket. I've got, AirPods, pins, my wallet, all in that pocket. You've got a little key fob as well with a red strap, and you can see it is the size that you would expect. It is the size of the front of this pouch. All right, not a lot to it. Let's unhook. You unhook the top flap with these 2 buckles. Inside, you've got this kind of really bright day glow yellow interior, and underneath, another pocket. So we'll open up this one. I've got a battery backup in there, and you can see it's the same yellow liner. Very high visibility, very nice. The zippers are kind of this brown color. They are not weatherproof, but they do look very well made, and I can tell you on this bag, they've held up incredibly well. All right, so let's get into it, literally. Inside this bag, it is fairly cavernous. It is a big bag in here. You've got a text sleeve. I've got an 11-inch iPad Pro with Magic Keyboard back there. Inside the bottom compartment here, and I'm going to take this stuff out so you can see the interior, I've got my Nintendo Switch. I've got a gimbal, and you can see this thing is really big. It's about the size of, let's say, a lady's shoebox. How about that? 2 loaves of bread? Yeah. So you can see in this bag, and I'm going to swing this out of the way here for a second. It's a big size bag. It's about the size of my head, but I'm not going to wear it like a hat for your amusement. You've also got this series of pockets here that flaps in and then out of the bag. You have in this pocket a zippered compartment, which I've tossed my cords in, tossed a pocket knife in, and then you've got a Velcroed compartment, so zippered and then Velcroed, which I've tossed my multi-tool in. So, pockets galore. You've got pocket, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, and this main compartment. Pretty nice. So, that's the walkthrough of this bag. It is a very small, not crossbody messenger, but a very small, satchel carry sling. So you carry it the strap crossbody, and you carry it very traditionally like this. Okay? So, 2 things we like about this bag. Well, I can tell you from my experience with this bag that you're going to get quality. It's going to hold up incredibly well. I've used this nonstop for multiple years and never had any issues with it. That's the first thing I like. The second thing I love about this bag is the high visibility interior. I've loved it about this bag. I love it about this bag. The colorways that they choose are brave, but I love the bright orange blaze interior. It's good stuff. And it looks great, and it's fun to carry. Now, 2 things that I don't like about this bag that I was kind of disappointed in, honestly. The first one is the reason to buy this bag over this bag is that this bag can fit a small laptop or a tablet, right? Slips right in. It does fit. It does slip right in. But that's not really a tech sleeve. It has no protection. Let me see if I can show you this. It has no protection, and it's really slick, and so when you put something in there, the whole sleeve itself just moves around. So it's less of a tech sleeve than you want it to be, which is disappointing because, again, why buy this bag versus this bag? Probably not because you have, 8 liters worth of clothes you want to throw in here, but because you have a tech device that you want to carry with you that is a small laptop that would fit perfectly in a bag of this shape, right? So tossing this in to the main compartment is easy. To the tech compartment, this loose nylon material just kind of catches and then pushes and stretches, and there's very minimal protection. So it's not great for a laptop or a tablet, which is heartbreaking to me. Now they've got kind of a mountain office bag that I think solves this problem, but it's black, and this is cool. So it was a disappointment when I saw that. The second thing I don't like about this bag is this kind of ridiculous flappy pocket. I don't get it. Like, just sew the pocket and the admin sections, 2 zippered pockets, on the interior of the bag and get rid of this weird flap. I'm sure there's a function or a purpose that I'm not understanding. There usually is. But that's just in the way to me. I don't get it. Just give me 2 pockets on the inside of my bag. So, some weird pocket choices with this bag, and all the weird pocket choices are the ones that are on the interior. Like, the lack of a dedicated tablet sleeve and instead this kind of just nylon flappy pocket. I don't know. This is heartbreaking to me. I wanted to love this bag so much. I just wanted to adore it because its little brother here is my fave. But I can't recommend it because if you want something to just carry around some daily essentials as you're out and about, get this one. Seriously, the Trippin fanny pack is epically good. This is not. So I don't recommend it. I don't think it's worth the extra money, and you can't carry your electronics in it. I don't know. I can't see a use case for this bag. I highly recommend the fanny. Don't recommend the messenger. That's my take. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the bag. And if you want something a little bit bigger than this, and you just want a larger version, yeah, you'll love it. This might be the world's best purse. but it's not a tech bag, which is what I was hoping. So everybody, thank you. If you liked the video, please like the video. And subscribe if you're new here. We're continuing to grow the channel, and the more we grow, the more bags we can review, which is fun for everybody, so it's win-win. Thank you so much. Everybody, we will see you next time. Bye for now.